I watched him mix this simple blend of bananas, almonds, and walnuts. Within a week, the afternoon slump just vanished. He was clearing tasks and still had enough drive to go for a run after dinner. It was like he suddenly regained the pace he had years ago.